What's the meaning of British gas? British gas. British gas.
British gas. British gas. British Gas is a brand name for Centrica plc, a British multinational energy and services company. The company provides gas and electricity to homes and businesses in the United Kingdom, as well as boiler and central heating services. With over 12 million customers, British Gas is one of the largest providers of energy in the UK. The company has a significant presence in the energy industry, and actively invests in renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. Overall, British Gas is a well-known and trusted brand that has been serving customers in the UK for over 200 years.